Hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. We're building a chicken tractor today. Well, not today, but a bit here and everywhere. So, it's going to be 6 foot long, 4 foot wide, 3 foot high, and then that'll hold 11 broiler chickens. That's plenty for them. Then we'll drag it all around the yard.
Every day move it the size of the tractor. Half of it you're going to have a tarp on 3 sides for wind and sun. And if we get a horrible thunderstorm, we can come out, throw a tarp over the whole thing, eh?
That's right, yeah.
Is that the Gorilla Glue?
Gorilla Glue.
Look here, guys. Another raised bed. Can't look at that.
There'll be a few more going up. That's for sure.
Those chickens aren't breaking out of there.
No.
You want it strong enough that it's not gonna break
or buckle
when we pull it too, eh?
Yeah.
We can't wait to get these freezer Raptors out of the utility room. I change them constantly, but it's starting to smell like a chicken house in my house.
It is too.
Yeah, it's time to go. They've overstayed their welcome.
They sure have.
So we're just not sure if we need to still put a light on them at night, but there's some nights that are going down to 6 or 7, you said?
6 or 7, yeah.
And that's cellulose?
No, that's
Celsius.
Yes.
Cellulose.
Hey.
Okay.
Is one side done? Well, not done.
And repeat?
Yeah, on the top.
Oh, they stink. Poor babies. They're almost full feathered. Gotta do their water again. Got a couple brave ones that try to hop out when I'm cleaning them up. They're ready to go out. They're ready to leave my house.
Hey, so we're not far from being done on the chicken tractor. I've just got the tops to put on, then I'm gonna wrap it all in the chicken wire that I'm gonna put on.
What kind of chicken wire? It's not normal.
It's not chicken wire. It's this really tiny wire. I'll have to show that the next time when I go to put it on. I'll show you it. But nothing will get in, and it's stronger.
Yeah, much stronger than chicken wire.
I'm just putting the tops on here now. Cover your ears.
So only 1/2 is you said gonna open?
Yeah, only down there.
Okay.
Will open.
And half will be tarped for shelter.
Yep.
That's
this
cool.
Part here.
Yeah.
Will be then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tarp only half of it all the way to the bottom.
Okay.
That way they got a place to get out of the rain. And I'll put a 2x4 under here so the tarp will peak.
Ah.
The rain will run off.
Cool idea.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get them
I can
out
get
of
it
the
over
house.
here with a door that I'm going to be building next.
Cool.
So yeah, it'll be awesome.
Bring you back when you got the wire?
Yep.
All right.
Okay, so the wood that I'm using, with today the prices of wood is just ridiculous. Like I can go get a 2x4, just an 8-footer, 2x4 by 8 foot, not pressure treated, just spruce, and it's $11. So I went to a mill and I found the, what do you call it, unplaned boards, rough cut lumber is a lot cheaper. This whole thing costs less than $50 to build. And a 2x4 there.
It's rough cut.
Yeah, but I can trim that off with a knife and all that stuff.
Yeah.
But I've got a planer. If I wanted to run it through the planer, I could have, but
it's a
I was
chicken
lazy.
tractor.
I was lazy, yeah. It's a chicken tractor.
We'll just file it off so we don't get slivers when we're handling it. Or the birds, for that
Yeah.
matter.
Yeah. But it's so much cheaper to build it this way. It would have cost me a heck of a lot more in wood, a lot more.
We'll get a few years out of this.
Oh, geez, yeah. And it's heavy. It's heavier because it's an actual 1 inch by 6 inches. Where if it's plain,
sorry,
it wouldn't be.
What's good about this too is when we're done using it as a chicken tractor, if we ever have a sick or injured hen,
Yeah.
we have a place to keep them
That's right, yeah. Or a
keep
broody
them
hen.
away.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if we do get a broody hen, I'm for sure going to get fertilized eggs from down the road. That'd be perfect.
Exactly, yeah.
Multi-purpose.
So, you know, it's a multi-purpose thing. I'm still debating to put wheels on the end, the back.
You think it'll be too heavy to just drag it the way it is?
I don't know. Pretty solid.
We could both do it together,
I know,
you and me. Power twins.
Power twins? Okay.
Sukie-wookie, you go to the groomers tomorrow. And baby dee-dee, you went yesterday. And you're talking to us today. Oh, pretty girl. Yeah, I bet you feel good. Sukie, is Daddy making noise? Is it making you mental?
Is it?
Oh, yes. I can't wait to get her groomed tomorrow.
Yeah.
What a ragamuffin you are. Yes, still beautiful. You're stunning, aren't you, dee-dee? And you know it. Yes.
Okay, I've got it up on the edge. But I'm just putting the trim on to hold the wire on.
That way? No animals can dig in.
None will.
No.
They'll be safe from predators.
Look at that. First time on grass. They have a peekaboo and a vent window back at the back where they sleep. And it's enclosed on 3 sides and the roof on that end so that they can get out of the elements or the sun. They don't know what to do with the grass. They love the perch.
Yeah, they do, don't they?
Yeah. That's cool too, because if it's a heavy rain, they can keep out of the wet.
Yeah.
Stinky birds are out of my house.
They already pooped all over the ground.
Oh yeah. That smell's no longer in my utility room. I might put their water more into the shaded area for them. On rainy days, the food too. But right now, look, they're so scared, eh? They've never been on grass before.
Yeah. A lot more room too. They're not crowded.
I know. They're going to be so happy.
Oh yeah.
Hope they don't get slivers. That's right. How many of you are roosters? First one to cockle-doodle-doo goes in the soup pot that day. Yeah. How many roosters do you think?
Pardon me?
How many you think are roosters?
I don't know, about 5 probably.
Yeah. Good, eating grass. Every day we'll pull it ahead. You want to tell them what you did?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I sealed the top of the wood and the sides there, so they got some shade, and then a little bit at the side, so they got screening at the end there, so they got a little bit more airflow through them.
Oh, I see a spot. We're gonna have to.
Yeah, I got a piece of wood.
Still
not completely
go right
done.
here. But they're out. They are
That's
out.
right. They're right. That's the main thing.
And if it's too heavy to pull, well,
We got a tractor.
we got a tractor we can use. Peekaboo! I see you hiding in the shade.
Give them a couple of hours, they'll be all over the place.
They love those perches.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. 2 waters, food, and you're hiding on the perch. I wonder if Top Hen's gonna get the corner with the window. They're so ugly, they're adorable. Hello, freezer raptors. Look at you sitting on the grass. You're enjoying it now. Yeah. And what about you guys? Do you approve? Are they okay there? Do you approve? Cool. Aren't they big, eh? Weren't they heavy too?
They were heavy.
Picking them up. It was like, I was surprised at the weight on them. That's right. Sit down. Have a rest.
See, they're sitting on the ground too now.
Yeah. I disturbed them. I startled them when I came up. One was laying in the sun, stretched out like Burt Reynolds.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. It's going to be your first night out here tonight. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Yay! Suki just came back from the groomer, and Dee-Dee won't have any of that. She's going to beat her sister up. How dare you leave me here at the house alone with these humans? It's got to feel good to have your hair and your nails done.
So the romaine lettuce is coming in very well, and so are the cucumbers, and their potatoes need to be topped up
Yeah.
with dirt. So I think I'm going to do that now.
Over here.
Over the next one there.
Oh, look it. My lovage did come
Oh,
up.
good. Came back good.
Yes.
What do we got here, Peg?
It's down by you.
Cucumbers.
These are the dill cucumbers, the small ones, and the
That's
garlic.
zucchini over there.
And on this side is, acorn squash.
Oh, acorn squash.
And it's going to go up the
Oh,
trellis
that's good.
here.
Yeah, I like that because they grow really
And
well.
it'll join the acorn squash on
Here as
this
well?
side, going up the trellis here. And look at the first weeds of 2021.
Oh no. Whatever will we do?
I have to get my chives dehydrated. They're going to seed. I'm going to let one go to seed though.
Yeah.
On this side we have our
What's in here? It's come up, whatever it is.
caraway.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's coming up. On this side we have our blackberry, zucchini, and celery.
Wow, celery's coming good.
I know. On this side we have our blackberry zucchini to match the arch climbing up, and a iceberg lettuce. Cool, eh?
Yeah.
Look at
What's the
our
fourth one?
onions. Well, we got to have a man tool everywhere. Over here, look at the onions. I planted some close together for early, and then I separated them going out so that we could have them for full-sized. But we've got, what kind's that, hun? Over there. Ew.
That is
I think they're yellow. Shallots. Shallots.
Yeah.
And then these ones are white. And then halfway through the second and third row would be the yellow. And we have our peppers
Yeah.
going here. Our tomatoes suck
Yeah, but
bomb.
never underestimate a tomato. They bounce back pretty
Oh,
good.
they better bounce, because, oh, do they suck. Over here we have our gladiolas planted. And I can't remember, lupins.
Oh yeah.
These are the peppers, jalapeno, and what other kind?
Filipino and habanero.
Ooh, cherry tomatoes. Yeah, they're not doing good. I think we're gonna have to start a rescue one. I'm gonna have to plant some more. We got some beautiful red cabbage. 4 of them. The rest we did the green cabbage, and they're all doing well. What's here? Your peppers? More?
Yeah, there's
All the peppers are doing well.
Apache Red.
Right? Apache Red.
And I can't remember what these ones
Oh,
were.
I just saw a piece
These
of glass.
Were, Reapers down here.
Okay. Reapers. Behind that, we have carrots.
Habaneros.
Behind those, we have carrots.
Oh yeah, behind that.
Yeah, and then I have a whole row of dill going at the very back here.
Grass. And it's ready for picking.
There you go. Your first harvest. Now, he's got to mound his potatoes in the ground too.
Oh yeah.
Look at here. Step over the almost flower garden. Ooh. Look at the potatoes.
Yeah, they need to be mounded.
Yeah, you got to mound them.
And look at the corn.
4 rows of corn.
Yeah.
Are they ever coming up well?
Really
Look
good.
at that. So the garden's doing okay. Oh, and look over here. We got peas. I've got my loofah along the fence as well as my bottleneck gourds.
Oh, here.
And
Peas
on
right
this
there.
side of the yard, peas.
Right there.
Look at them.
Look at that.
They're already up.
Yeah.
What was that? 4
There's peas.
days?
Yeah.
4 days.
How about that?
None here yet.
None yet? Really?
No. They'll come. I think that one gets more sun.
Probably morning sun, I think.
Yeah. And then along the back of the property, all the way down there, I've got sunflowers like, oh my lord.
And we
So
still
many
got-
sunflowers.
We still got about 2 more beds to come yet
Yeah,
to build.
yeah. And
section over
yeah,
there.
for my herbs.
Yeah.
And there's also down there the, like I said, the bottleneck gourds and the
Oh, there are
loofah. The beans still need to go in. So that'll be the bed for those.
Yeah.
I can wait for my herbs. Oh, you got some grass to trim.
Yeah, I guess whippersnipping to do here.
2, 4, 6 elderberry, and they all took well. They're doing wonderful.
Yeah.
We have 2 Honeycrisp, is it?
Yeah.
Apples,
2 Honeycrisp,
an apricot,
an apricot, and a
and
pear
a
tree.
pear at the end.
Yeah.
All sunflower seeds along this
Oh,
fence.
look how they've come up. All the sunflowers.
Oh yeah, they're doing well. I come out every day around 6:37 and water the property. Look at them. All different kinds too. Giants, the red ones, the yellow ones, the miniature ones, you name it. They're all in there.
Yeah.
And just for shit and giggles.
Giggles.
What is that?
I don't
Oh,
know.
that's my gourds. My bottleneck
gourds,
gourds. And my loofah is here. Trust me, it's there.
Take my word for it.
Look at these. Do you know what these are?
Ooh. I can't remember.
Ground cherries.
Ground cherries, right.
Look at that. Lori's World, thank you for hooking me up in that direction. Ground cherries.
Oh, look at our blackberries.
Blackberry bush from the neighbors doing
Coming.
well.
Yeah, it's coming really well.
And 4 blueberries. We need more blueberries.
Yeah, I know.
And what was it you said you were going to run out and buy today? And we
Oh.
got too busy. Honeysuckle
Honeysuckle, yes.
for medicinal, reasons.
purposes.
Darn right.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's
Well,
us.
if you like that video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget the notification bell. I know it's over here. And we'll see you next video.